Hi there, my name is Maria and today I'm going to show you a video of the latch that I changed on my gate. These are the tools that I used. A screwdriver to remove the old latch, a drill with a hexagon 3/8 of an inch drill bit in order to fit the screw that it came with. The latch that I used I got from Amazon and the link is below. Hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe at the bottom. I hope to see you on the next one. So guys, here we are today. We're gonna change this latch to open the door. It's actually not great. I'm gonna show you why. If I open it and then I try to close it, that one actually is not working because it's actually just stuck. Because this is what actually happens when I close it. You see that? I think you could see it there. It's not properly latched in. So sometimes this will go down. See this? I've put on a screw at the bottom. It doesn't work. It's not safe. And then animals could get in and we're trying to avoid that. So here we go. All right, guys, these are the tools that I have for today. What I found out with the other one that I just did is that it's better to remove it with this. So come on this side. Of that wood as possible. So that's why I actually need to measure where I'm going to put the locks. So let me show you something. Super secure. So here you are. I just changed the latch. So much easier. The other one never closed properly. This is done.